students, welcome to online classes presented by Kitsi Public School of Class 4 Subject English Grammar. What is material noun and abstract noun? Okay students, and this is your chapter number 6. Pick abstract noun. Abstract noun is the name of a quality or an idea that we cannot see, hear, smell, taste or touch, that which we can only feel or think of. तो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन वो आइडिया होता है जिसमें हम किसी चीज़ को देख नहीं सकते, सुन नहीं सकते, स्मेल नहीं कर सकते, टेस्ट नहीं कर सकते और उसको टच भी नहीं कर सकते. बस हम ये करते हैं कि हम उसके बारे में सोच सकते हैं और हम उसको फील कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, हैव पेशेंस, with courage you can win, I shall act upon this advice, freedom is a great blessing of Allah. So here patience, courage, advice, freedom, all these are of feeling. Okay, so now look at the examples.
Thud, Balu and Jojo decided to go to the pond where Hop lives and have a cool swim. While they are relaxing in the pond, Thud says he wants to play a game. He will write out sentences using special words, and the others have to guess which words are the special ones. These are Thud's sentences. Wisdom keeps us safe. Anger is bad for health. Bravery should be rewarded. But the others were not sure which were the special words. These are the special words. Look at them carefully. Can you tell what makes them special? The words wisdom, anger, and bravery refer to things that we think or feel. Unlike other nouns we have learnt about so far, these words tell us about things we cannot see, feel, hear, taste, or smell. They are not definite things. These words are about some feeling or emotion or quality that we can think of in our mind or feel within. Such words are called abstract nouns. Here are some more words that name qualities of feelings and are abstract nouns. Honesty, childhood, hope, victory. Can you use these abstract nouns in sentences? Let us look at some examples. Honesty is sometimes difficult, but always right. Childhood is a time to learn and have fun. We always hope to do well. Victory is always sweet.
So student, have you seen how the sentences were made from abstract noun? Now see the definition: a noun that describe a feeling or thought. It cannot be seen, it cannot be heard, it cannot be smelled, it cannot be tasted, it cannot be touched.
Wallet, belt and the shoe. They are all made of leather. Can you guess what is common between wafers, French fries and mashed potatoes? I hope you have guessed that all of these are made of potatoes. In these sentences, leather and potatoes are material nouns. Names of materials from which different things are made are called material nouns. Look at these sentences. This table is made of wood. Shobha bought a ring made of gold. My mummy makes lassi using curd.
So students, have you seen the table was made up of wood and the ring was made up of gold and the lassi was made up of curd. So the wood, gold and curd are material noun. So material noun is the name of material or substance from which things are made and which we can see, hear, smell, taste or touch. So they are material noun. Example again, she is kneading flour. Iron is a hard metal. The ring is made of gold. This chair is made of wood. So student, I hope you have understand what is material noun. Now students, come to the page number 19. Here we will do book exercise of chapter number 6, material nouns. The question is tick the correct material nouns in the bracket. So here you can see question is given, this one, and we have to do this. First is desk and benches are made of, so they are made of wood, glass or brass. They are made up of wood, so you have to tick it over there. Second, eraser are made up of iron, rubber, cotton. So eraser are made up of rubber. Ornament are made of copper, iron, gold. Ornaments are made of gold. Sweaters are made of silk, wool, cotton. So sweaters are made of wool. Books are made of paper, rubber, silver. Books are made of paper. Lead of pencil is made of clay, graphite, lead. So it is made up of graphite. Shoes are made of cotton, wood, leather. So shoes are made of leather. Cold drinks can are made of aluminium, iron, copper. So it is made up of aluminium. Furniture is made of glass, wood, copper. So it is made up of wood. Car bodies are made of steel, wood, gold. So car bodies are made of steel. So students, have you cleared it how we have used the material noun here? So material noun is the name of the substance from which the things are made. तो आप लोगों को क्लियर हो चुका होगा कि मटेरियल नाउन क्या होते हैं. मटेरियल नाउन वो नाम होते हैं जो हम किनको देते हैं जिस चीज़ से कोई चीज़ बनी होती है. Students, now come to page number 20. Here we see some exercises given related to abstract noun. First question is underline the abstract nouns in the following sentences. First is the boy began to jump with joy. Underline joy. Second, honesty never goes unrewarded. Underline honesty. Third, pride always licks dust. Underline pride. Fourth, virtue cannot be bought for money. Virtue. Fifth, Ashoka was a model of kindness. Kindness. Second, fill in the blanks to make the opposites of the given abstract nouns. तो हमें abstract noun के opposite बनाना है. First is ugliness, beauty, beauty, beauty. Proud, humble, humble, humble. Happiness, sorrow, sorrow, sorrow. Folly, wisdom, wisdom, wisdom. Depth, height, height. Stupid, clever, clever, clever. Next question, fill in the boxes to make words having the सेम मीनिंग ऑफ द गिवन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. तो हमें इन वर्ड के सेम मीनिंग लिखना है. फर्स्ट इज गेन, प्रॉफिट, PROFIT, प्रॉफिट. सेकंड, ग्रीफ, सोरो, SORROW, सोरो. थर्ड, वार, बैटल, BATTLE, बैटल. फोर्थ, जॉय, gaiety, GAIETY, gaiety. फिफ्थ, चम, फ्रेंड, FRIEND, फ्रेंड. Tallness, height, HEIGHT, height. Next question, fill in the blanks with correct abstract noun. Choose the words from the box. Now here you have to choose the correct word from the box and you have to fill the abstract noun. First is Snow White ran away to escape her stepmother. Dash and dash, she joined the 7 dwarfs in the wood. Hatred and jealousy. Second, Snow White took a dash of the poisoned apple and died. Bite. The dash of Snow White filled the stepmother with dash. The dash में क्या आएगा? Death. And last dash में delight. Third, the dwarf led Snow White in a glass coffin so that her dash could be seen. loveliness. Fourth, one day a handsome prince came there. He was struck by the dash and fell in dash with her beauty and love. So this was the exercise, page number 19 and page number 20, related to chapter 6, material noun and abstract noun. You have to do it in your book and revise it carefully again. Thank you, students.